Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how it works and how you can activate the color function in Whirlpool washing machine TDLR. So to enable this function, just simply click on this button. I cannot do it because I have the wrong cycle selected, and as you can see now the LED is turned on, the function is activated, and how it works. This function saves the energy used to heat the water, and at the same time that provides a good washing results. So this function helps to preserve the colors of the washed fabrics. The option is recommended for lightly soiled laundry without the stains. Before the start, make sure that the detergent that you're using is suitable for washing in low temperature. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.